Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will show you how you can change your date of birth on Instagram. First of all, we will open the App Store or Google Play Store and check if Instagram is updated. After that, open Instagram. Here we will open our profile by clicking on our profile picture in the lower right corner. In the new menu, we will click on the three lines in the upper right corner. And the options that are offered to us are Settings and Privacy. Here a large number of options will be opened, the first of which we need is the Account Center. When the Account Center opens, we need to find the Personal Details option. We click. After that we will click on the Birthday option. In the new menu, we will click on the Edit button, which will open a page where we can change the date of birth. When we have changed the date, we just need to click on the Save button and the changes will be saved. That's all for this video. Leave a like and subscribe if this video helped you. See you in the next video.